Hey guys, it's me, the Happy Cultivator, Urban Gardener, and I'm out here in the garden and I'm doing a little winter prep. I haven't been making a lot of videos lately as we've got the urban empire under construction here, but I am still doing a little bit of gardening, as you can see. So what I wanted to show you was what I was doing during the winter. Well, one of the things I do during the winter is I prune back my trees. So this pomegranate here has been pruned back real nicely and ready to go. Next step will be pruning back those roses back there. The other thing that I do is I just tend to my worms, make sure that, all the worms are fed and doing all right. As you can see, they look like they're pretty good. Maybe a little more food in there, but they seem to be pretty happy. Say hi, guys. There you go. We love them. We love our worms. So I tend to my worms. The other thing I do is I tend to my compost. Right now, what I was doing and what spawned this video was I'm tending to my compost heap. I have trimmed my avocado tree that's back there. As I said, I'm pruning trees now. And I had a lot of avocado waste here. And it was big pieces like so. Never mind my contractor's compressor in the background. So I had some pretty big branches like this that needed to be stripped, like this one over here. So what I'm coming over and doing is just stripping off all these smaller branches, which will decompose with their leaf matter, and just throwing it on top of the compost. The compost will be breaking down for the next couple months. It'll be breaking down with our worm friends there. And so it doesn't matter that I have a little bit of early compost on top there. We'll put that on top, let that decompose. Worm friends will get to it. Hopefully we may even get a little hot compost going in there. So that is what I do during the winter. The other thing I do is I winter off my beds with straw. And as you can see, it's just some green mulch, lay that on top. And then come the spring plantings, I have this wonderful, beautiful soil here with lots of worm friends in it. And that's basically what's going on here, is just a living compost. And when we pull this up, oh, look at the worms in there. And look at how beautifully rich this soil is. And if you guys go back, I will leave a link in the video. This no-till bed is just about 1 year old now. That's it. And look at how lush and beautiful it is. Same with this bed right here. We'll come on over and we'll do the same thing. We'll just pull it back and get rid of that little grass there. But if you notice, there was a little wormy friend right there on top. And this soil as well is just real nice, rich stuff. And there's your worm right there. Oh, where'd you go, buddy? But yeah, that's what I do during the winter, guys, in my outdoor system here. My no-till system. So with that, guys, get out and get composting. Prune your trees, prune your roses, and winter off your beds. With that, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.